Look at the number pattern below and find the missing number. Now, this requires some observation, all right? And for such patterns, usually the numbers are all linked to each other. Okay, so we need to find the links between each of the numbers. And if you see this, the link is as such, all right? 20 and 3 is related to 10 and 50. How are they related? When you take 20 times 3, you will get 60. And when you take 10 plus 50, you will also get 60. Likewise, 6 times 10, 60. 50 plus 10, 60 as well. So these are just different ways to get 60. Okay, for the top it's multiplied, for the bottom is an addition. Let's check it out for the next one. 70 times 7 is 490. 90 plus 400 is 490 as well. So we'll expect the next one to be the same. 30 times 8 is 240. And for the bottom one, 100 plus what gives you 240. So the question mark is just 240 minus 100, which is 140 as our answer for this question.